హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ సైన్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ఓకే, ఈరోజు మనం సెకండ్ ఇయర్ టాపిక్లో చాలా 8 మార్క్స్కి ఇంపార్టెంట్ అయిన క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటి ఉంటుందండి. చాలా వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్. అది మోస్ట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ చాలా క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ చూసినా కూడా మనకి ఈ క్వశ్చన్ బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇంటర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ కెమిస్ట్రీకి వస్తే ఇందులో కూడా మనకి 13 చాప్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి. 13 చాప్టర్స్లో కూడా మనకి లాస్ట్ ఉంటాయి కదండి, ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీకి సంబంధించి మనకి ఆల్డిహైడ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఆల్కహాల్ CHO గ్రూప్స్ అని ఉంటుంది. CHO గ్రూప్స్లో ఆల్డిహైడ్స్, కీటోన్స్ అండ్ కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్స్, ఈ 3 కేటగిరీస్ అనేవి ఉంటాయండి. ఈరోజు మన క్లాస్లో వచ్చేసరికి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద acidic nature of phenols and why, and the comparison between why the phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Okay, today we will go to in our concept first. Okay, phenols. What are phenols? Phenols, okay, on benzene group and OH group is there, means that those are called phenols. See here, this is the phenol. OH group is the functional group here. Here this is the benzene on benzene OH group is there. Okay, this is called phenol. Why phenol is acidic? Okay, first we will discuss that one, why phenol is acidic. Okay, depending on some reactions here we taken that sodium, generally phenol reacts with metal, any metal, nothing but sodium, potassium, any metal. Okay, phenol easily goes reaction with metals and easily undergoes reaction with NaOH also, and then they form a phenoxide ion. After that slowly it combines the sodium salt, it forms a sodium phenoxide. First you observe this reaction, then you will get the idea. See here, phenol undergoes reaction with sodium and NaOH. Both reaction I draw here. See, here it form a sodium phenoxide. Okay, intermediate reaction not given here. I explained after this one. Okay, resonance structures, all these. First, in exam point of view, I am telling here. Okay, what we have to write in exam if they ask question in 8 marks question. Okay, first how they will ask question is explain the acidic nature of phenols. Explain the acidic nature of phenols and compare that of alcohols. Okay, first we have to discuss about the acidic nature of phenols. Okay, then we will compare the phenols with alcohols, why it is more acidic than alcohols. Okay, first coming to our topic, first this is why phenols are more acidic, because it undergo reaction with metals and NaOH group, they form a sodium phenoxide. First you will give the matter like this and then you will write equations like this. Okay, sodium phenoxide and how the sodium phenoxide ion form here. Okay, both reactions you draw here. Here see, this phenol is undergoes reaction with sodium metal and it form a sodium phenoxide and release H2 gas. Then it undergo reaction with NaOH. NaOH you already know, aqueous NaOH. When we dissolve the NaOH pellets in aqueous solution, that means water and nothing but water, it gives reaction with sodium, it forms sodium phenoxide and then it release water. Okay, why it is more acidic than phenol? Okay, this is the matter. Okay, first what they are saying here, first phenol is easily lose proton, it form a phenoxide ion. Okay, why it is forming phenoxide? Because oxygen is more electronegative. That's why it always want electrons. Okay, it easily takes electron from proton from H and easily it removes hydrogen. That's only here I draw the resonance structures here. See how the phenol forms resonance structures like this. Okay, how the resonance structures are going here. See, first what you already know, the benzene resonance structures. Okay, benzene resonance structures you already in first year it is completed. Okay, who are not have an idea on this, first listen here. First, what is this phenol having, this is the benzene ring having here one double bond and this is the another double bond. Okay, then outside this is a functional group. OH group is the functional group. Total it is a phenol. What is this? Phenol. Okay, then here see what oxygen is doing here. Oxygen has how many electron, how many valence electron? Generally oxygen has 8 electrons. Where how many electrons? 8 electrons. Here see here 4 and undergo bonding with a carbon here, and this one, this is a sp2 carbon. Okay, then it goes and undergoes resonance. How it is resonance is how it goes. The electrons are delocalizing in the benzene ring. How the delocalizing is happening here? See, first what is going here? See, in this OH group, generally oxygen has electron. Okay, the electrons which are present on the oxygen undergo delocalization. Here, these electrons comes here on this. Here, it form a double bond, and here valence is more. Then what happening? This double bond is goes to here, this carbon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. Okay, this carbon, second carbon. Okay. By getting these bonded electrons on the second carbon, getting negative charge. Okay. Here what is happening next? What happening? This negative charge. This is these electrons comes to here, and this double bond is going to balance the here, delocalizing here. Okay. And the bonds are like this resonance. Simply see. Now what is happening here means see here. The bonds are the electrons are delocalizing complete the rings. Okay. Again the first structure is like this. The bonds are like a mirror image. See how the resonance structures are like mirror images. Okay. Here if you understand this resonance structures, once you see how the bonds are shifting from one carbon to another carbon, how the electrons are shifting from oxygen to remaining benzene rings. Okay, remaining benzene rings. See, okay, why is phenol more acidic? Why is phenol more acidic? Because of showing this many resonance structure. This delocalization of electron is happening in the phenol. That's why it is more stable than alcohols. Okay, here given the alcohol equation also, how the alcohols are bond dissociation, how it is happening here. See here, general R means nothing but alkyl, any alkyl group, CH3 group or C2H5 group or any alkyl group. Okay, this alkyl group is attached to OH group. Okay, what's happening? What are the electrons are here? Those are shifting to oxygen and the proton is releasing out. See, okay, there is no resonance. Only bond dissociation is happening here. But in case of phenol, what's happening is the phenoxide ion showing different resonance structures. The delocalization of electron is happening in the phenol. Here individual phenoxide I given here. When the proton is released from the phenol, how the resonance structures are? See, 5 resonance structures. Because of these 5 resonance structures, phenol is more stable and it show more acidic character than the alcohols. Okay, that is the matter here. See, why phenols are more acidic means phenols easily undergo resonance. Okay, phenols forms phenoxide ion easily. And it goes resonance, delocalization of bonds, delocalization of electrons is happening in the phenol. That's why it is more stable and it shows more acidic than the alcohol. That's the matter here. See, once you note the information as a running notes. Okay, see, if phenol reacts with metal and NaOH, it gives phenoxide ion. What is this ion is? Sodium phenoxide. What is this? Sodium. Here sodium it is attached here. Sodium is there, na? That's why it is sodium phenoxide. If potassium is there means potassium phenoxide. Here you take KOH means you will get the here K metal or potassium metal or KOH you take means you will get the corresponding oxides. Corresponding phenoxides we will get here. Okay. Depending on the above reactions. What is this? Depending on the above reactions, phenols exhibit acidic nature. If generally alcohols does not show any reaction with not react with NaOH. Generally phenols not react with NaOH, not form any oxide ion with NaOH. Only reacts with metals only. Phenol just generally primary alcohols reacts with only metals, only metals, sodium, potassium, like metals only. Okay, here see, depending on the above reactions, phenols exhibit acidic nature. Because of these two reactions they are exhibiting in this reaction, middle of the reaction, intermediate product is phenoxide ion. That phenoxide ion is undergoes resonance. Phenoxide ion showing resonance here. Because of showing these many structures, 5 resonances, it is going on. That's why it is more stable and more acidic than the alcohols. This is the matter. Note this matter. This is very important bit for 8 marks question. You will get complete like this, means you will get 4 marks in this. Remaining question is Kolb's reaction and Reimer-Tiemer reaction, and another one is there na Williamson synthesis. These three reaction, and this is 2 comes to 8 marks question. If you write up to here, then you will get only 4 marks only. Remaining named reactions they given na here. Kolb's electrolysis, Reimer-Tiemer reaction, and the Williamson synthesis. This is also 4 marks question and 4 marks. Both comes under to 8 marks questions in section C. Okay, this is very important. Next question ki continuation chuddamandi. Next question ఏంటంటే చూసారు కదా, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏముంది, Kolb's reaction and Reimer-Tiemer reaction and the Williamson synthesis. ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ మనం ఇందాక చూసాం కదండి, ఇందాక మనం ఎసిడిక్ వై ఫినాల్స్ ఆర్ మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ దాన్ ఆల్కహాల్స్ అనేది కంపారిజన్ చూసాము. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మనం నేమ్డ్ రియాక్షన్స్ అంటే Reimer-Tiemer రియాక్షన్, ఆల్కహాల్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ నేమ్డ్ రియాక్షన్స్ ఇవి. ఫస్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ రియాక్షన్ Kolb's reaction అనమాట. Kolb's reaction, what is the Kolb's reaction? Seriously, this phenol reacts with NaOH, easily forms to phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion is more readily undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions, okay, than the phenol కన్నా కూడా మనకి సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ రియాక్షన్స్ లో ఫస్ట్ గా సోడియం ఫినాక్సైడ్ అనేది పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసి ఈజీలీ గెట్స్ this salicylic acid. Easily get salicylic acid. Here see, first what's happening here, first see in this reaction, first phenol undergoes reaction where NaOH in the NaOH it moves water and it forms sodium phenoxide. What is this? Sodium phenoxide. You have to remember the equation. What are the reactants participating in the reaction? What are the catalysts participating in the reaction? Then you will easily write the matter. Okay, first what's the reaction? Kolb's reaction means what reactants are participating in the reaction means first phenols undergo reaction, first react with sodium hydroxide. It easily forms sodium phenoxide ion. Okay, after that what's happening here, sodium phenoxide, why phenol is not directly converting into directly participating in the electrophilic substitution reactions means because the sodium phenoxide is more readily undergoes electrophilic substitution than the phenol. Okay, that is the main reason. Here see, first what's happening, phenol undergoes reaction with NaOH and it forms sodium phenoxide ion. Then sodium phenoxide ion in the presence of acidic medium, it undergoes electrophilic. CO2 is a weak electrophile. Okay, it's easily undergo electrophilic substitution. Even CO2 also easily participating in electrophilic substitution in this sodium with the sodium phenoxide. It easily forms this. On other position you will get a carboxylic group. Okay, what is the name of the reaction? You already know IUPAC names. Tell me the name of this. Okay, see how we will write the IUPAC name, how you will write the IUPAC, how you will give numbering to this benzene means. See which is more electronegative group. Okay, which will come in CC. What's this name? 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. What is this? 2-hydroxy. Where the here see which comes alphabetical first one. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's it. Here name also see 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. What is the name is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Okay, see what's Kolb's reaction means. Phenol undergoes reaction with NaOH, it forms sodium phenoxide ion. Sodium phenoxide is ready to participate electrophilic substitution reaction with weak electrophile CO2 in the presence of acidic medium. It forms salicylic acid easily. Okay, simply write this. Simply write the note like this. Then write the equation like this. Next one, Reimer-Tiemer reaction, very important reaction. This also What is Riemann-Tiemann reaction means? Phenol undergoes reaction with chloroform in the presence of aqueous NaOH. Okay, it forms a intermediate compound. Intermediate compound is here, see, intermediate compound, and it undergoes reaction and it loses chlorine and it forms a ortho group. It gets aldehyde group. This is the ortho group. Okay, this is the para groups, ortho groups, meta groups. Okay, on ortho position it forms aldehyde groups. Okay, finally it loses this sodium. Then we will get our final product, that is by salicylaldehyde. What is this? Salicylaldehyde. Okay, finally see, first Schwarzkopf reaction is phenol undergo reaction with NaOH in the and it loses water and it forms a sodium phenoxide, and phenoxide is ready to participate in electrophilic substitution reactions in the CO2. With CO2 it forms a salicylic acid. This is the Kolb reaction. Next one is, what is Riemann-Tiemann reaction? Is nothing but phenol undergo reaction with chloroform in the presence of aqueous base medium, that is by nothing but NaOH. It forms an intermediate. It forms an intermediate compound. Okay, and it finally on ortho position it get aldehyde group. It forms a salicylaldehyde. This is the Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Simply you write like this. Okay, in the presence of base medium, phenol undergo reaction with chloroform. Okay, it forms salicylaldehyde. This is the matter. This is called Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Last one, nothing but Williamson synthesis. Okay, what we are synthesizing here, ethers. Okay, Williamson's ether synthesis. Okay, in this what's happening here? Here alkyl halide and sodium alkoxide. Okay, sodium alkoxide. Here sodium. Here see alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, here sodium alkoxide. Why I am writing here prime differentiation of alkenes? Alkenes ni differentiate cheyadaniki I given like this prime, say small prime symbol. Here what are the names also I am writing here? Phenol, chloroform. Here also phenol, sodium phenoxide. This is very important. You have to mention the name of the formulas like this. Okay, sodium phenoxide and finally these names also. Okay, so salicylaldehyde. Okay, if you remember these names, easily write the equation also. Okay, next sodium alkyl halide undergo reaction with sodium alkoxide. It forms a ethers. Okay, ethers, and it releases a NaCl like this. See, this is X means halogen. Whatever X means, whatever thing it is, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, whatever. Okay, halides. So here R groups means nothing but CH3, C2H5. And propanes, butanes, everything comes under the alkyl groups. Okay, here I given examples also. Say, what is this? Ethyl chloride. Here see, ethyl chloride undergo reaction with sodium methoxide. What is this? Sodium methoxide. Okay, it undergo reaction with form. Here see, what is this? It's a methoxy ether. Next one is, this is one type of ether. Next one is ethyl chloride undergo reaction with sodium methoxide. It form diethyl ether. Okay, this is the Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis is nothing but these alkyl halides undergo reaction with sodium alkoxide ion. It forms ethers. Okay, simply it forms ethers. Some are symmetrical ethers, some are unsymmetrical ethers. See, two alkyl groups are different alkyl groups. That's why it's a unsymmetrical ethers. Two alkyl groups are same. If two alkyl groups are same means, C2H5. Same alkyl groups are present means they are symmetrical ethers. These are unsymmetrical ethers. These are symmetrical ethers. both alkyl groups are same means symmetrical. Okay, understand up to here? Okay, once note it all the equations. Okay, this is very important 8 marks questions. Okay, explain acidic nature of phenols and comparison between the phenols and alcohols and the named reactions which comes under these alcohols. Okay, Riemann-Tieber reaction, Coates reaction, and finally Williamson synthesis. Okay, hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel.